Have you ever wondered why people behave the way they do? What drives our thoughts, emotions, and actions? Welcome to the realm of psychology, the science that delves into the enigma of the human mind and our complex behaviors. This quest to unravel the human mind has taken us on a fascinating journey throughout history. The year 1879 marks a significant milestone in the history of psychology. A German scientist named Wilhelm Wundt took a bold step, establishing the first psychology laboratory. This was groundbreaking, legitimizing psychology as an independent scientific discipline. Wundt's innovative method, introspection, focused on examining the mind from within, exploring thoughts and sensations. This introspective approach shaped the early days of psychology, laying the foundation for future research. This marked the beginning of psychology as we know it today. As psychology evolved, so did various perspectives on understanding the human mind. The emergence of distinct schools of thought like behaviourism, led by B.F. Skinner, focused on observable actions. Sigmund Freud delved into the unconscious mind through psychoanalysis. Carl Rogers pioneered humanistic psychology, emphasizing personal growth, while Jean Piaget's cognitive psychology explored how we process information. These different perspectives enriched our understanding of the human mind, each contributing unique insights. Fast forward to today, psychology is no longer a single discipline. It's a rich tapestry of subfields, each delving into intriguing aspects of human behavior. Clinical psychology addresses mental health. Cognitive psychology explores thought processes. Developmental psychology studies growth over a lifespan. Social psychology examines group behavior, while neuropsychology links the brain to behavior. These subfields, among others, illuminate human behavior in varied contexts, offering us a more nuanced view. The evolution of psychology has led to a more comprehensive understanding of the human mind. So, why does the study of psychology matter? Because it permeates every aspect of our lives. It boosts mental health, fine-tunes relationships, and enhances performance in sports, business, and education. In unraveling the mysteries of the human mind, psychology helps us understand ourselves and others better, making our world a more empathetic and understanding place.